Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a smothered chicken with gravy. Everyone loves this dish because it's comforting and satisfying. I like to serve this chicken over mashed potatoes or rice. For the chicken, I'm using thighs with the bone and skin. Trim any of the excess fat and skin from the chicken. These have been washed, just pat them dry with a paper towel. We'll need sliced yellow onion and sliced garlic. To season the chicken, we'll need salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. We'll also need some dried thyme and dried oregano and paprika. We'll also need some all-purpose flour to coat the chicken, and chicken stock. Season the chicken on both sides and under the skin. Heat up a pan, add oil just to coat the bottom. Dredge each piece of chicken in the flour on both sides. Shake off the excess. When the pan is very hot, put the chicken skin side down. Fry them until golden brown on both sides. When the chicken's golden brown on both sides, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Remove excess oil from the pan. Leave just enough to saute the onions and garlic. Add the sliced onion, sliced garlic, a little salt, and saute until golden brown. Add a tablespoon of butter and some all-purpose flour. Cook for a minute just so that the raw taste of the flour goes away. Add chicken stock. And bring this to a boil. You'll notice the sauce is thickening. Add the oregano, thyme, and paprika. Add the chicken back to the pan. Cover and cook for about 30 minutes until the chicken is tender. After the first 10 minutes, take the cover off and cover the chicken with some of the gravy and the onions. After 30 minutes, the chicken is soft. Taste the sauce and add salt if you need to. I didn't need to add any salt because the chicken was well seasoned and my chicken stock also had salt in it. This is a dish that smells and tastes like it took all day to make, but you made it in under an hour. Give this chicken a try and let me know how you liked it in the comments below. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.